Steroids for the
Ano mo
size.
boxing?
Tapos may ano pa siya. Meth dahil he's
Okay.
crazy.
Tapos may fent pa siya.
I don't know what Fent does, bro.
Alright, that's nice. Keep it that way.
Man.
Alright, wala akong cold drink. We're just gonna kill this guy.
Nah, bro, you're cool.
Hell no, that's you. What do you mean?
Damn! That's insane! Alright, full.
Alright,
What the fuck?
I received that very well.
Oh. Oh my god, bro. What was that?
Yung boom.
Imagine if I had the fucking mantle.
Real
Kaya
life.
yun madodge. Kaya yun madodge. Putang ina. Ang goofy naman ng dodge dito.
Yeah, yung touch dito more like lilipat ka lang talaga sa isang place, hindi talaga for evasion.
Pero may iframe siya. Like, sobra lit. Although, ang laking save niya kung kaya mo gamitan.
Ang hirap gamitin, man.
Sobrang laking tulong ng iframes pa rin nito.
Jesus Christ. Kailangan time mo na maayos.
What the fuck am I doing? Naka-Oxford mo, hindi ko na
Aray. Yikes.
Ban.
Alright,
sakto lang yung element ng osmosis para dito.
Ano yan?
Hmm.
Hindi ko kakainin lahat yan. Lagi nung nakakain si Royce kasi. Isa-slinger thorn ko sa ulo. Para
Ayun, nanak ko.
KO.
Hindi, na-stagger lang pala.
Ayun,
Elemental
gumawa na yung KO.
Elemental topple yun eh.
Oo, doon pala nagdala ko ng ice weapon dito.
oh man.
Kinda forgot.
Oh. Get on away. Anong ginagawa ng slinger term? I mean,
Pag nilagay mo sa head yung slinger thorn, mag-increase yung KO damage yan. More
alright.
more KO tas multiply yung damage na unti. Pero mabilis mawala yung slinger thorn. Isang hit lang ata yan. Pero still
Dalawa
useful.
akin.
Very, very useful. Oh yeah, I'm the new mounter in town pala. Rest in peace, gloves, Zach. Glaive pala, I mean. Gloves.
Hindi na mag-glaive. Minsan.
Comfort weapon.
Yeah.
I think I'm stick sa sword and shield masyadong OP. Pero comfort weapon forever, longsword on Gyat.
Of course.
Ang insane ng iframes.
Oh.
I thought
the
ko yung
Bro,
namatay doon.
exploded.
Bro, hindi nga ito yung Raging Braki.
Kaba mind control ng normal brake.
On kaya.
Bro, warm up lang yun para pag next time namatay sa Raging Brake.
Okay.
On God, man.
See, he agrees, bro.
May isa pa.
Oh man, namatay yung Vespoid.
Nice. My God. I'm dead. That's right. Okay. I'm alive.
I'm dead.
Ay, shit. Pares tayo. Ayan. Volcano explode. Oh.
What the hell?
Damn.
Hi, Zach.
Hello. Thanks for the heal, bro.
Oh my god, sumabog ako ba na ganun? Okay, nice.
Exhausted
Can
si
we
Bro.
like... actually, hindi ko muna i-gamble. I-atakin ko na lang. That's new. Hindi ko ginamble.
Let's show it. Wow. Change
The hell?
battery.
Change, man.
Holy... Tignan mo yung dalawang Vespoids. May thorn pa.
Ay, nasa buntot.
Iniwan ka.
Uy! What the hell?
I saw that.
That was
I didn't
me.
saw anything, man. Boom.
Bro, what the fuck is this? Allah, boom. Mega.
Boom! Boom! We are the Costco guys. Ah, hell na.
Oh.
Gusto ko
Oh,
yung
wow.
Azure Rathalos nung hindi available eh. Yes, therefore.
Bro, sigaw na sigaw. Sigaw ko to. Wah!
Chill, larga ko ga. Oh, hello.
Hi.
Say cheese!
Oh my god, Rathalos yun na-ultihan ko, hindi yung ano. Bakit yung Rathalos yung pinapatay ko?
Bonus rewards.
Ano to? Lakad na lakad sa...
Do we capture this guy?
para mabilis siya, may na.
Iniwan.
There you go. We killed it. Ang tagal ng boss na yun.
Hindi naman eh.
Dahil. Ligrex.
It's like 15 minutes or something ganun.
Yeah, 15 minutes, 14, 10.
That ain't long.
Natagalan dahil may isa namatay.
Dalawa actually.
Only human after all.
Sorry, no?